Welcome to eLearnReady. Your score shows a strong preference for visual learning. You excel with visual aids like graphs, diagrams, and maps, relying on them to clarify concepts and understand instructions. Here are some tips to maintain and enhance your skills. Tip 1. Create visual summaries. Summarize information using mind maps, charts, and diagrams to reinforce learning. Tip 2. Use visual tools. Utilize digital tools like graphic design software and online diagram creators to enhance your visual aids. Tip 3. Incorporate images. Integrate images, infographics, and videos into your study materials to make them more engaging. Tip 4. Develop visualization techniques. Practice visualization techniques to create mental images of the information you are learning. Tip 5. Teach with visuals. Explain concepts to others using visual aids to reinforce your own understanding. Keep up the great work and continue to excel. Visit eLearnReady for more tips.